Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of amazing sport text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change its color, you can edit the text, and you can also do some more customization. And you can also download this project file from the link in the video's description absolutely for free. Now hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, I'm going with the size of 1920 by 1080 with the resolution of 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. First of all, pick the type tool, click inside the canvas and type your text. I want to type in sport. Confirm it, pick your move tool, click on these three dots and change this option to canvas. Click on align horizontal center and align vertical center. It will align the selected layer perfectly at the center. Now let's convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Right click on this layer and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on stroke. Size is 45 pixel, position is out. Click on this color box and pick a bright bluish color. Now click on this plus icon to add another stroke. This time the size is 30 pixel, position is out, and the color is dark bluish color. Hit OK. Click on color overlay and set this color to a white color. Hit OK. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Drag the copy down. Disable this main layer for now. Select this layer and move it to the top. Hold Alt and Shift key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Duplicate it once again while holding Shift and Alt key on your keyboard. Now select all of these layers and put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename it background text. Next, press Ctrl T to enable transform tool, rotate it and scale it a little bit to fill the whole canvas. Hit enter to confirm it. Also drop down its opacity to 40%. Now select this background layer, pick your pen bucket tool, make sure your foreground color is black. Click on the canvas to fill the selected layer with foreground color. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways, select this group, pick the ellipse tool and create a small circle just like this. From the property panel, change its fill to none and increase its stroke size to 10 pixels. Also give it a white color. Now select your move tool, hold Alt key on your keyboard and move it to another spot to duplicate it. Duplicate it few times to fill the canvas. Now select the polygon lasso tool. Make sure the sides is set to 3 and then create a small rectangle just like this. Again duplicate it while holding Alt key on your keyboard. You can also rotate it, just press Ctrl T and then rotate it. Now create new layer, pick the type tool, click inside the canvas and hit plus key on your keyboard. Also drop down its size because it is too large. Again, hold Alt key on your keyboard and move it to another location to duplicate it. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and rotate it. Duplicate it few times. Now select the top layer, hold Shift key on your keyboard, scroll down and click on this bottom layer. It will select all the layers between these two layers. Put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Let's rename it Shape Elements. Drop down its opacity to 40%. Next, create a gradient map adjustment layer. Click here to edit the gradient. Select this white point and change its color to a dark bluish color. Hit OK. On top of it, create a gradient adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select this black and white gradient. Click here to edit it. Again, select this white point and change its color to a dark bluish color. Hit OK. Change its style to radial, angle to 0 and increase its scale to 200%. Hit OK. Also drop down its opacity to 30%. Now enable the main text layer. To change the color, let's create a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and by moving this slider we can change its color. To edit the text, just select this layer, double click on it, it will open another document, and here we can change the text, or you can just use your logo if you want to. Confirm it when you are done with the editing. Now if it is cutting off, like in this case, go to image and choose reveal all. It will fix the problem. Now close this document and save it. Photoshop will update everything in the main document. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.